Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna create a function that classifies someone into some category. For example, I'm gonna classify them as being a child, a teenage, or an adult, or in someone who's really old. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna use all the keywords that we have in Python. Okay, we're gonna use if, we're gonna use Elif, and we're gonna use else. Okay, so let's start by creating function. I'm gonna call evaluate. Evaluate. We're gonna receive someone's age, and the first condition will be age less or equals 0. So if we have that, we're gonna print invalid age exclamation mark. Now what you saw the last video that you used else after the if, but this time we're gonna use the elif. Okay, so we're gonna type elif, and when you use elif, we are able to write another statement. Okay, so I'm gonna write a statement would be equal if age is greater. Actually, I don't need to write age greater than 0, because if you are in this second statement, the first one will be equal false. Okay, so if we are here, it means that age is greater than 0. Okay, we don't need to write another statement asking or trying to see if age is greater than 0, because if we are here, we already know that. So if age is less than 12, less or equal 12, we're gonna print teenage. Okay, so that's all. And after that, if age is less or um, actually greater or equal 13, actually greater than 13, and age is less than 65, we're gonna print adult. Okay, so in the else will be um someone really old. Not really, but you get the idea. So we have this function called evaluate, and we have this body. Okay, we have all those statements that we are asking a lot of questions. If I run this evaluate and I type -8, we're gonna see that invalid age. If I type 5, we see teenage, which is untrue because I just forgot to put a kid right here. So let's do all over again because I forgot a part, some part. So let's just drag this over here. Okay, so let me just drag again. Okay, so here should be kid, and I should write another elif right here. If age is greater than 13 and age is less than 18, I'm gonna print teenage. So let me see. Yeah, I guess it's all good. So here we're gonna change to 18. Okay, so yeah, it's actually right here. So yeah, that's that's okay. So I think now we could get it quite right, right? So let's start by -9. Invalid age. Evaluate for, yeah, I just evaluate for kid. Evaluate, let me see, 14. Yeah, I just evaluate. I just forget on the A. Yeah, Change, evaluate, 21, evaluate, 66, someone really old. So as you guys can see, it's working wonderfully. As you guys can see, you could also have some more conditions or statements, but the main idea is when you use Elif, you could have as many conditions inside the if and the else as you want. Okay, so just keep in mind that you could use this to try to kind of emulate the switch statement, which is not available on Python. Okay, but I'm gonna talk about that later in this course. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys next time.